I just bought this Apeman last night at Walmart. Apeman dash camera. It's a Apeman C420 dash camera. Shoots 1080, records 1080p, 30 frames per second. Aperture is f1.8. So let's drive down the road and let's see how the footage looks at dark. I always keep my receipt. If I don't, you got 15 days to take it back to Walmart if you don't like it, or if it doesn't work correctly. And it says it's got good night vision. Well, I guess we'll find out, won't we? Let's ride along, my friends. I do the mash. I do the monster mash. I do the mash. I do the monster mash. I do the mash. I'm leaving Regent's Bank. I've been down here vlogging late at night. It's 11:37. I bet Sonia's worried about where I'm at. I didn't tell her I was going. She was asleep on the couch. It's where I bank, people. Regent's Bank. Let's go. Do my nightly patrol. They goes out patrolling the streets, keeping it safe from all these violent protesters. I got my mace, I got my big arms, I got my big brain that keeps me from going insane. I got a big brain that keeps me from going insane. Late at night. Let's drive through the police department late at night. Y'all want to? Watch this. Right here on Shelby Street. Police department. Never been in this city jail, never want to be. This is the Justice Center, the police department, the courthouse. You get in trouble, you gotta have money. Roses is red. I need to stop here one night right here on the left from the backside of the police department. They have a flame in commemoration of the fallen police officers in Sullivan County. Dash camo. So as you can see, my friends, the Apeman C240 dash camera is not a very good camera. The footage speaks for itself. Now GoPro Hero 8 Black does a lot better job. And the GoPros are great cameras in the daytime, but at night they don't do it good either. So I guess I have to spend a lot more money and get several $100s and get a real nice night camera that performs good at night. But the Apeman C240 said it had good night vision. I disagree. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Keep your faith in God. Be nice to yourself. I'll see you in the next video.